back to my channel, and today we're doing a little special edition Valentine's makeup tutorial. Now, I haven't dated anyone in like 6 years, so when I hear Valentine's Day makeup, I'm like, but hey, I finally have a Valentine, and you know, Nathan loves me with extreme makeup, with no makeup, with a little bit on, so I was like, well, how do I do a Valentine's Jeffrey look? And I wanted to do something that I don't normally do, so I toned it down, but I still kept the high fashion and the high glamour, so I hope you guys enjoy this. And for the special Valentine's weekend coming up, I have Nathan finally doing my makeup. Oh my god, we're filming it in a few days, and is he nervous? He fucking better be. Something else that I'm really excited about is we are hitting our 1 year anniversary, so I'm gonna take me, Nathan, and my best friends to Maui, and we're gonna have a little Hawaii adventure. Should we vlog about it? Do you guys want to see footage from that? If you do, leave some feedback below, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this look. Alright, let's get started. Now, for this Valentine's soft moment, I definitely want more of a dewy skin look. I know that's strange coming from me, so I'm going to be using the Becca Cosmetics Backlight Primer. I am obsessed with this guy. And I'm going to be using my damp beauty blender, and I just take this and I'm going to put 2 pumps right on there, and then we're going to dot around just like I do with my foundation and just spread this primer all around the whole face. Alright, we're done, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Just kidding. Okay, so now that the primer is done, I am going to start mixing some foundations. Now, I'm going to go a little different than I normally do, and you guys know I love my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This has been my go-to for all of last year. They also have something called Fluid Sheer, which has like a metallic shimmer with it, so you can mix this into your foundation and it kind of gives you a more glowy vibe. So I'm going to mix these two today. Now you do want to shake this very good before using. Oh, my wrist hurts. Okay. So let's do a little 2 pumps there on the back of the hand. Now this glowy stuff, you just put right in there. Now I'm just going to use the end of my beauty blender and just mix. And then let's see what happens. Okay, let's get to buffing. Now, this foundation is really light. I'm gonna add some more coverage with powder and concealer, but I feel like if you're having a Valentine's Day date with your spouse, boyfriend, girlfriend, or someone off of Tinder, you want to wear less foundation because when you have sex, it just gets all over their face and clothes. So just be respectful. For concealer, I'm gonna be using the Amazing Cosmetics Amazing Concealer. Now, I got this a while ago and I forgot I had it, and I'm gonna use it today. So I'm just gonna use a tiny bit on my middle finger and just dab it under the eye. Oh, this just feels so good. Now I'm going to set my whole face with powder and do my brows off camera like I have been doing lately. So if you want to go see how I create all of that, go back and look through my channel, and I will be right back. Alright, and we're back. Now, I didn't want to contour off camera because I got these new Makeup Geek contour powders, and I haven't used them yet, so let's use them together. So I'm going to dab into this guy right here. The shade is called Breakup, and let's see how they look. I'm just going to start creating that natural, I'm going to kill you bitch face contour cheek look. Now I'm going to bring it up a little bit on my near the hairline and just drag it up a little bit. Now I'm going to be taking this Makeup Forever big old fan brush, and I'm just going to go back in with that contour color and just chisel out this chin a little bit for that defined look. And I'm just going to soften that line with my beauty blender. For the nose today, I'm actually just going to take this brush and put a little product on it, just halfway here. And I'm just going to take it and run it down my nose where I want the color to stay. Just a quick little 2-second nose job, if you will. Now I'm really defining the nose, and I'm going to soften it in a second, so if it looks a little too crazy, you can always tone it down. Like, this is for Valentine's, so I want my nose like severe. I don't want it to break up with me because I didn't define her enough. Now that my nose looks crazy, I'm gonna take the beauty blender and just buff over those lines and just kind of soften them a little bit. Okay, now let's get to the eyes. Alright, now for eyes today, I'm gonna keep it really, really simple. Like, you guys are gonna be blown away how easy this is. For Valentine's, I want it to be really soft, really pretty, so I pulled out my Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette. I love this one. First of all, it's pink, so I'm already obsessed, and oh, that chocolate smell kills me. I'm just gonna dip into this color, Divinity, which is a really light nude color, and I'm just gonna take this from brow to lid and just coat my entire eye with it. When you apply these, you smell the cocoa powder and you're like instantly hungry. I'm like, ooh, I want an ice cream sundae right now with a cinnamon and strawberry lemonade. Oh my god. Now this color almost matches my skin tone, which is exactly what I wanted. It's just gonna be a little base for us to get started. Make sure our eyeshadows blend seamlessly. Alright, now I'm just gonna put a really soft brown color in the crease, and I'm gonna use my Morphe 441 brush. Now this shade is called Almond Truffle right here. It's like a really soft mauvey brown. I like to coat the brush completely and really get the color in there, and bye! And we're just gonna tuck this into my crease, and this is a really soft color. We're gonna be really gentle today. I'm so used to seeing like bright colors or really bold Runway. I'm like, it's like I'm not wearing anything. My wrist is like, bitch, add more color. Alright, now for the lid, I'm gonna use a metallic bronzy color. This is called Molasses Chip, and this is this guy right here. I'm gonna just take my MAC 217 brush and just dip in there. Now, usually with metallics, I like to wet the brush for a crazy effect. Let's see if this one wants to show up on my lid today. Ooh, I love that. Really soft. Alright, now I'm gonna take this NARS eyeshadow. It just came out and it's called Tarbos. It's like this pretty mint, like greenish color I love. And I'm actually gonna add this green color on the top of some of the brown just to give it some extra flavor. And I'm gonna just wet the brush always with my MAC Space Plus. Now when you use these wet, like they recommend, it's like, woo! So let's see what happens. Oh wow. I live for a mint, and I'm just gonna place it directly in the middle. So I'm not doing my whole lid, just the center. Now normally I would add a lot of darkness to my crease, but I'm actually gonna not do that today. Oh god, it feels so weird. Alright, now to soften those edges, I'm gonna be taking the same almond truffle color here and just buffing over it and over it real quick. Alright, now for under the eye, I'm going to keep it really soft and gentle, and I'm going to take this color in the palette called Satin Sheets. It's like a champagne-y, shimmery, peachy, I don't know, it's amazing. I'm going to take my MAC 239 brush, this little guy, and just dip in there. I want to coat that whole brush, and I'm just going to go right in the inner corner and add in that color. And I'm going to bring it slightly down where it's a little bit under the eye. Just a little soft effect. You know what's cool about these eyeshadows is you can actually use this color as a highlight, which I did the other day and it looked so pretty. So if there's ever anything metallic in your palette, dip it in, honey, and bathe those cheeks. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm just gonna take that same Morphe 441 brush and I'm gonna dip into this color one more time, and I'm actually just gonna take it under my eye and just lightly buff under it. So it just gives you that soft brown look. I'm just going to slightly drag that shadow out a little bit. Okay, now what is going to make these eyes stand out really crazy, I think, is the mascara and the big lashes. Once you add those things to your eyes, it always gives you that like, oh, okay, there it is, look. Alright, now I'm going to take my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and coat the entire top and bottom before we do some lashes. Now let's do the bottom mascara. Now, you don't have a lot of dramatic eyeshadow underneath. You want to be really careful not to bump your skin with the brush. So I'm just going over this a few times so it's like extra tarantula. Now I want the lashes to be the main focus of this look since it's so soft and gentle. So I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty mascara, lashes. Now it's time to put some lash glue on and get these bitches on. I'm obsessed with how these look. They're so like, woo! They almost look like eyelash extensions. They're so pretty. I'm probably never gonna take them off now. Thanks. Alright, now for highlighting today, I'm gonna be going in with the for highlighting today, I'm gonna do a gold tone, and I'm gonna be using the new Burberry highlighter. This is Nude Gold, and isn't she so pretty? Oh my god. There's another one that I'm gonna be filming with soon, so get ready because these are insane. And I'm gonna be using my Morphe 310 fan brush. I'm just gonna wait. Now these are like, whew. These are insane. Oh my god, yes, glow. My whole goal in life is when I walk outside for my neighbors to have to like squint their eyes when they're staring at my face. So let's keep packing this on. Gotta really keep it low. And I'm gonna do it all down the nose. Like, I want this bitch highlighted. And I'm just gonna take my fingertip and just do the end of my nose. Alright, the highlighting is done. Now, what are we gonna do for the lips? Alright, since it's so dry out and I've been a little under the weather, I'm gonna be using a lip scrub from my own brand. And this is the strawberry gum flavor. Now, she's been used. It's so good. I'm just gonna take a little bit out in my hand and just scrub the lip. I like to go in circular motion so it gets off all that dryness. Cool thing about these, they're edible. So if you're feeling a little hungry while you're doing your makeup, just dip your finger and have a little snack, girl. I wanted to go for a really baby pink, soft, porn star, hooker type of lip. So I'm gonna be going in with the MAC Cosmetics Bianca B. This is a really like sheer baby pink. Oh wow. It is really, that's actually more pigmented than I thought. It's so crazy, this pink is so light, it almost looks white on me, like, hey. Okay, I literally feel like Dave Chappelle when he was pretending to be a crack addict, so I'm actually gonna take the beauty blender and just shear this down a little bit. And I'm gonna put this Anastasia lip gloss on top. This is shade Pastel Pink. And let's see if we can get this to look a little more. Oh, there we go. Hi. Now, you guys know I'm not a fan of lip gloss, but I am loving this look. Alright, and now to finalize this look, we are going to be going in with the Urban Decay All Night Aesthetic Spray. As usual, this look is complete. Alright, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's definitely something a little out of my comfort zone, but I like to be a little dangerous. I think this is perfect for any everyday, hi, I'm gonna go on a date with my boyfriend and maybe do a gangbang or a date at the fondue restaurant. You know, this is just a simple little look. I'm feeling very girly. I'm feeling very soft. Like, I don't know. I just feel really dainty wearing this makeup. I want to prance around the house in heels and, well, you know the rest. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.